Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the essentials, update the Facebook app, and confirm you can access account recovery codes. Once done, enable two-factor authentication so key changes are safe. Make sure you know which conversations are end-to-end encrypted versus standard messenger threads, since fixes differ. Now open Settings, go to Privacy, then Secret Conversations or Messaging Encryption area. You will begin a targeted repair rather than general troubleshooting, so you don't waste time resetting unrelated settings. You now diagnose and repair the encryption keys. First, inspect device key fingerprints in the encrypted chat info and compare them directly with the other party over a trusted channel. This confirms identity. If fingerprints differ, revoke the existing session keys and force a fresh key exchange. To do that, end the current secret conversation and start a new one. This triggers a new key handshake. While doing this, keep network conditions stable and avoid VPN changes to prevent handshake failures. You finish by validating the repair. Verify that both sides show matching key fingerprints and that messages display the encrypted status. If problems persist, clear the app cache and reinstall, then repeat the revoke and reconnect process to force handshake renewal. Make sure both devices have correct time settings and stable networks, as clock drift and packet loss break exchanges. If still failing, test using a second device or a different account to isolate whether the issue is device-specific or account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.